Hi, I'm Gail Sibley, and I'm at the IAPS Convention in Albuquerque, and I'm with Lana Ballot. Now, Lana, can you tell us a little bit about how you choose your subject?
Well, first of all, Gail, it was such a pleasure to finally meet you. I just have to say it, just as many other artists. And how do I choose my subjects? People who follow me usually, they see that I choose different subjects, and the piece I have right now in the show has nothing to do with my usual seascapes and night scenes. So it's the mountains. So. First of all, they say choose something that you really love and choose something that you know. So I find that if when I love my subject, I get to know it really well. That means just thinking about it a lot, about compositions, and as from the artist's point of view, of course, I also get to play with compositions, shapes. It's not just anything. Let's say I love the mountains, but I will be looking for certain design, for pattern of values, contrast of colors, all those wonderful things. And there you go. You get the interesting scene that you are intrigued by. So from there it starts. Usually it's not just you rush something. You just this is a comfortable spot and that's where I'm staying. You have to walk around. You have to find something that really speaks to you. So I think that's how it all begins.
Well, thank you so much for sharing that, Lana.
You're welcome.